Hi Cosorians, today I'll be making a Cajun shrimp boil in the air fryer. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and let's get started with today's recipe. Alright, so let's take a look at the ingredients we're using for today's recipe, and you can find all of the ingredients in metric in the recipe link below if you're interested in that. So we've got 10 baby Dutch potatoes that I've halved, 2 ears of corn that I've shucked and cut crosswise into 3 pieces each. So I've got 6 pieces total of corn. Got 10 extra large shrimp that are peeled and deveined, and 7 ounces of andouille sausage that I've cut into about 1-inch pieces. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted, 3 cloves of garlic that are minced, 3 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, a tablespoon of fresh parsley just for garnish, and 1 lemon that I've cut into wedges, which is also going to be great to squeeze over the top and for garnish. And then I've got some water that I'm going to go into a little bit later. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so we're going to start with just the potatoes and the corn. So I've got my large bowl here that I'm going to just dump my potatoes and my corn in. And so we're just sticking with the potatoes and the corn because these are going to take a little bit longer to cook compared to the shrimp and the sausage. So we want to get these cooking first before the rest of the ingredients. So to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my butter. Just kind of drizzle that there. Perfect. And we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of the Old Bay seasoning. So 1 and 1.5. Perfect. And then I'm just going to give these all a really nice toss. Get it coated in the butter and the Old Bay seasoning. Perfect. And traditionally, Cajun shrimp boil is, boiled. You boil everything and then you make this really flavorful butter sauce that gets poured over. But today we're making it in the air fryer, which I think is so fun, super easy to do, and it comes together really fast. All right, that looks great. So now I'm going to get the basket of the air fryer. We're using the Cosori dual blaze air fryer, which is really cool. It has 2 heating elements, one at the top and bottom. And it comes with a removable crisper plate. So we're gonna take a 1/4 cup of water and put it in the bottom of the basket like this. And then we're gonna put the crisper plate inside. And then we're going to add our corn and potato mixture inside here. Spread everything out a little bit. And then we're going to cook this using the broil function. And I'm gonna reduce the heat to 380 degrees, and the time's gonna be for 15 minutes. And then after that, we will continue on with adding the rest of the ingredients, and it's gonna be awesome. And what the water's gonna do is kind of help like steam things while also get the air fryer crispy and getting the corn and the potatoes caramelized and golden as well. It's gonna be really delicious. All right, the potatoes and corn are done cooking, so let's grab the air fryer basket. All right, they're looking great. So now we're gonna move on to the shrimp and andouille sausage. So I'm gonna use the same bowl that I mixed the corn and potatoes in. There's no need to dirty another bowl. So I'm gonna dump the shrimp in, help this last guy get out, and the sausage. And then we're gonna add the remaining butter that we have. Get that all in there. Our garlic. And the remaining Old Bay seasoning. And I'm gonna give all of this a really good toss together. Get the Old Bay seasoning and the garlic and the butter evenly distributed throughout. And I also have another 1/4 cup of water here that I'm gonna add again into the bottom of the basket. And so the water is gonna go through the crisper plate to the bottom of the basket to help steam everything and also get everything nice and caramelized and golden brown. So now that the water's in there, I'm gonna add the shrimp and sausage to the basket with the corn and potatoes. And then I'm just gonna make sure everything is even. All right, that looks really good. So now this is gonna go in. I'm gonna use the broil function on the dual blaze, set the time to 6 minutes, and then it's all ready to serve. Okay, the shrimp boil is done cooking in the air fryer. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, it looks awesome. Everything got caramelized and brown and golden, and it smells so good in here. So I'm gonna plate it up now, and then we'll get to taste test. Okay, I have my shrimp boil all plated up. I squeezed some lemon juice over the top to really brighten it up and sprinkled with some fresh parsley. So I'm gonna go in for a shrimp. Let's taste it. Super flavorful. It's so good. And you saw how easy and quick it was to make. What I love about the Cosori dual blaze is that no shake or preheating is necessary, which is so awesome. And everything here is cooked to perfection because we cooked the potatoes and corn separately from the shrimp and the sausage. I hope you guys really give this recipe a try. And let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite shrimp dish? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.